This is a Daikin air conditioner remote control. In this video, we learn all the functions and the operations of this remote control. There is a one hidden operation of this remote control, that is a smell-proof operation. Later in this video, I will cover how to activate it. So first, insert the batteries, remove the battery cover, insert the new batteries, and then set the battery cover as before. If you have already installed the batteries, then skip this step. Now on the screen at the bottom right, the time starts blinking. We have to set the current time. Press the clock button once, then press the select button to set the current time, and then press the clock button to finish. To start the operation, press the on off button once to turn on the air conditioner, and to stop the operation, press the on off button again to turn off the air conditioner. To check the inverter output, indoor temperature and set temperature, press the display button during the operation. Each pressing of the display button cycles the indoor unit display through the current inverter output, indoor temperature and set temperature. Press the temperature up and down button to change the temperature settings. Temperature can be set between 18 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Next is a power chill operation. Power chill operation quickly maximizes the cooling effect in any operation mode. To start, press the power chill button once. This icon is displayed on the remote screen. Power chill operation ends in 20 minutes. To cancel before 20 minutes, press the power chill button again. The air conditioner operates in the different operation modes for different seasons. Press the mode button and select an operation mode. Each pressing of the button changes the mode setting in sequence: dry, cool and fan mode. First, dry mode. This icon on the remote screen indicates the dry mode is active. This mode eliminates humidity while maintaining the indoor temperature as much as possible. It automatically controls temperature and airflow rate, so manually adjustment of this function is unavailable. Moving to the next, cool mode. This icon on the remote screen indicates the cool mode is active. In this mode, the air conditioner will cool the room and we can set the temperature between 18 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Next is the fan mode. This icon on the remote screen indicates the fan mode is active. This mode only circulates the indoor air without changing the room temperature. Press the fan button to adjust the fan speed. Moving to the next, fan button. Each pressing of the fan button adjusts the airflow rate setting in a sequence. This icon on the remote screen indicates auto, indoor quiet unit, low, middle, middle high and high. When the airflow is set to the quiet operation, the noise from the indoor unit will become quieter and the airflow rate is set to the lowest speed. Next is a smell-proof operation. The smell-proof operation prevents the unpleasant odor inside the indoor unit. To start a smell-proof operation, before starting the air conditioner, press the fan button to set it to auto mode and press the mode button to select the dry or cool mode. Then turn on the air conditioner. Air starts circulating about 1 minute after the operation is started. To cancel smell-proof operation, change the airflow setting to settings other than auto. Next is the Econo outdoor unit quiet operation. Each time this button is pressed, a different setting option is displayed on the remote screen. This icon is for Econo operation, this is for outdoor unit quiet operation, and then both are active. Econo operation enables efficient operation by limiting the maximum power consumption, and outdoor unit quiet operation lowers the outdoor unit's noise level by changing the outdoor unit frequency and fan speed. To cancel, press the Econo quiet button until these icons will disappear. Next is the Coanda intelligent eye operation. Each time this button is pressed, a different setting option is displayed on the remote screen. This icon is for Coanda operation. This is for intelligent eye operation, and then both are active. Coanda operation directs the airflow in an upward direction. It prevents air from blowing directly at users. In the intelligent eye operation, the sensor detects human movement If no one is in the room for more than 20 minutes, the operation automatically changes to energy saving operation. To cancel the operation, press the Coanda sensor button until these icons will disappear. To adjust the airflow direction, there are two swing modes. First, we discuss the vertical swing. Press this button to enable. This icon will be displayed on the remote screen and the horizontal blades will begin to swing. Airflow direction is from up to down. Similarly, press this horizontal swing button to enable. This icon will be displayed on the remote screen and the vertical blades will begin to swing. Airflow direction is from right to left. To cancel vertical or horizontal swing, press the particular swing button and these icons will disappear from the remote screen. Next is the flash streamer air purifying operation. This operation reduces the unpleasant odor and viruses and also clean the air in the room. To start the operation, press the streamer button once. This icon is displayed on the remote screen. To stop the operation, press the streamer button again and this icon will disappear from the screen. To turn off the remote screen backlight, press this backlight button for about 2 seconds. Pressing this button for about 2 seconds switches the backlight on or off state. When it switched off, the backlight goes out. When it switched on, the backlight comes on. Next is the child lock operation. This function prevents the children from operating the remote controller by mistake. To set the child lock, press this child lock button for about 2 seconds. This icon will be displayed on the remote screen. If any button is pressed while the child lock is on, this icon will blink. To cancel the child lock, press the child lock button again for 2 seconds. This icon will disappear from the remote screen. Next is the good sleep off timer operation. In this mode, temperature shifts its value to prevent the excessive room cooling during sleep. The air conditioner automatically stops after the preset time has elapsed. To use a good sleep off timer operation, press this good sleep button during the cool operation. This icon blinks for a few seconds. The temperature shift value by default is +2 is displayed on the remote screen for a few seconds. Good sleep icon, off icon and stop time will be displayed on the remote screen. The timer lamp lights up on the indoor unit. Press the temperature up down button while this icon is blinking to change the temperature shift value between +1 degree and 5 degree. Press the select button or good sleep button while this icon is blinking to change the time setting. The time can be set between 1 and 9 hours. To cancel good sleep off timer operation, press the cancel button. All three icons will disappear from the remote screen and the timer lamp will goes off from the indoor unit. Next is the on-off timer operation. Timer functions are useful for automatically switching the air conditioner on or off at the desired time. We can also use the on and off timers together. To use on timer operation, first check that the current time on the remote is correct. If not, then press the clock button. This icon will start blinking. Then press the select button to set clock to the current time and press the clock button again to finish. Press the on button once. This time is displayed on the remote screen and this icon blinks. Then press the select button and select the time to turn on the air conditioner and then press the on button again. On icon and setting time will displayed on the remote screen and the timer lamp will lights up on the indoor unit. To cancel the on timer operation, press the cancel button. On icon and the setting time disappears from the remote screen. Similarly, using the off timer operation, first check that time is correct. Press the off button once. This time is displayed on the remote screen and this icon blinks. Then press the select button and select the time to turn off the air conditioner and then press the off button again. Off icon and setting time will displayed on the remote screen. and the timer lamp will lights up on the indoor unit. To cancel off timer operation, press the cancel button, off icon, and the setting time will disappear from the remote screen. So those are the all functions of the Daikin air conditioner remote control. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Also, you can connect with me on the Instagram. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.